Hello, welcome to the Manhattan Project. Today is another edition of us making, or me in this case, Todd Solo, making another Manhattan. This time we're using 1792 Small Batch. This is our second iteration of 1792 in a Manhattan. The last time we did this, it was a foolproof version, so I think it was right around 115 proof. That was phenomenal in a Manhattan, and I believe we used that for a live event that we were doing. So we're gonna see what this one brings. Stay tuned. All right, so as our subscriber list of 150 million people by now know, a Manhattan is made of 2 parts whiskey to 1 part sweet vermouth, stirred over ice, bitters, and a cherry garnish. So we're doing all that right now. I just poured in the 2 ounces of 1792 small batch. All right, so those 2 ingredients are in. I'm gonna put in the bitters, and we use 3 big dashes because this bottle is obnoxiously big, and it comes out like 4. That's all that. I'm gonna grab some ice, and after I get this in, I'm doing it a little different. Normally I use a stirring glass, but in this case I'm just going over the rocks, and we're going to give it a 30-second stir, and then we're going to add in our case, bada bing cherry. We love Luxardos, but as most people genuinely agree, the cost of Luxardo cherries is ridiculous. So we don't typically use them on a normal basis unless we have a good reason to. So we're going to call that 30 seconds right about now. All right, now we're going to add our cherry. Again, bada bing. Nice thing about these is they're not too sweet. Luxardos can be obnoxiously sweet sometimes, so that's why we went with that. And we don't have a budget for Luxardos on a typical basis. So, all right, 1792 small batch. Cheers. This is really good. It's got a lot of like brown sugar notes. It brings out the vermouth, but not in a bad way. It brings it out in a way that you can taste it, but it's not overpowering. I like this one a lot. It's not one of my favorites necessarily, because we've done some really good ones on our channel, but this one's pretty far up there. I'm going to give this 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. I'm good with that. See ya.